Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the UI button configuration for UIkit buttons or UI buttons for inside UIkit for native iOS application. Also we will be looking into how to create pop-up buttons as well for native iOS application. So let's get started. So firstly here you can see I have this particular button. So I have just give me a second. Hopefully, so here you can see this is a UI button which I have created. So this is just a UI button. I have set the title, I have set the title color, background color, and the configuration which you see I have added it as filled. If I don't add this UI button configuration, if I run it, you can see that the button is very doesn't have those particular filled things. So here you can see the padding is very less, but as soon as I add this filled configuration, it has proper padding to it. Okay, so this is the first example which I wanted to show you. Now the second example is using UI button configuration again, but few more properties. So here we have created a configuration, UI button configuration, and I'm using the tinted. Here you can see I have added one title, one image as well. Again, this is image is part of system image. I haven't added any images inside our assets folder. Image placement I have set the button size as well. You can also set the subtitle if you want to. I have set the background color as well. Then we are initializing our button using this configuration and adding some click listener on it. And if I click on it, here you can see I'm also displaying one progress bar. So if I scroll down, here you can see you can just use button.configuration update handler and just do button.configuration, and here you can do show activity indicator true, and again assign your button.config. You can change if you see this configuration is similar to this one. So again, if you want, you can change the title as well, image as well, image placement as well. On button click you can change whatever you feel like. So that's the second example. I'll just comment this out. Then this is the third example of using UI action. So here you can see this is how it looks like. So suppose I want to toggle between two states. Here I have created in stock only, and on click of it I'm printing high, but you can do whatever you feel like. I have created one UI button using the stock toggle option and change selection as primary action to true, and button dot selected is true. So by default it is true, but here you can see that's how you can easily change the state between it. Next one is the pop-up button. So I'll just comment this out, uncomment this particular part. I will rerun my application. And here I will just click on this, and here you can see I'm able to see this particular two options. So this is kind of like a pop-up button which I have hosted. So all I have done is created this color closure, which I'm not really using it, but if you want you can use it just to check whether what particular action was selected. I think you can do something like action dot title, and here I have just created a UI button. Primary action I have kept it as nil, and then here I have created a UI menu. So here we have two colors. I'll just select this. Here you can see Bondi blue, that was selected, then flower powder getting printed in the logs. So here I have created two actions for it, and show menu as primary action to true, and change selection as primary action was also true. So that's how I am able to create pop-up button. There is one more thing which I want to show you guys. Just uncomment this entire thing out. Okay, also like for all the buttons I have added this NS layout constraints. I'm now adding it to our view as well as NS layout constraints over here. I should have shown you this at the very start, but I think it's fine. This three line you have to do it for all the examples. So I'll quickly run this. So again we are creating a button. I am setting some title, then I have added this sort closure, refresh closure, as well as account closure. So here you can see I have a UI menu. I have set the title, sort closure handler, date, sort closure handler, size, sort closure handler. Then I have created another UI menu, and here we are passing our sort menu to this top menu. So I have this refresh as well as account, and I have just set the button dot menu to our top menu and set show menu as primary action to true. So if I click on this, here you can see I get refresh and account. Okay, if I click on refresh clicked. If I click on account click, and if I click on sort by, here you can see I'm able to see title, date and size as well. So I can do that as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.